Yep. Alright, so the Elite S has some like pretty bad plastics, mostly just like super dirty, so I'm about to go through with this like cleaner stuff I have and just take off some like this residue and save the plastics, because I was messing with it yesterday and got like the side panels. This is before and this is after, so it looks a whole lot better with just that. So I'm gonna hit it with this here and kind of get the scooter a little cleaned up. Boys, it is time. Boys, it is time to go ahead and just throw the big stroker pipe piece on now. For everyone who said this PG pipe wouldn't be enough, we were just planning on running it with that and just messing around with it before we got the big boy pipe. I'm gonna have to cut the rear fender a little bit and trim her off to fit her, but that looks good. But it's a Taida pipe, and this is gonna be way better for the stroker build. A lot more power. This is like the first gen one. Heard a lot of good things by a few people for this pipe, so we'll see. All right, got the plastics all cleaned up. Looks a whole lot better, and got that pipe just sitting on there. The Taida pipe ready to go, and well, we just got another package, boys. Crack this thing open and see what we got. What we got here, boys, is an NCY triple tree for the Elite S here, so we can do legs, disc brake, everything like that. So NCY stem. Also, we got a Plini Corsa 72 rebuild kit for Chuck in here. I'm not gonna crack it open, but this packaging is pretty sick. I'm not gonna throw the stem on until I have legs, because I want to make the scooter still easily rollable. So I'm gonna take these, and I don't know if I want to paint these black or make it like white up here and then gray on the bottom, or even just white on the bottom or something. So I am getting the Dio headset on this, so it's gonna look a little different, so I kind of want to keep that like flowing. So I'm gonna sand these down. I'm gonna primer them, which is gray, and then I'm gonna set them on there because I might want them gray. Alright, well, this is with the body panels on there. I just put them on with the primer just to get an idea if I want to paint it gray, and I think I do. It looks pretty sick. It kind of looks OEM with the gray white look. It looks good, especially with the wheels. I'm going to be getting them for this thing really soon. So I'm going to go ahead and ditch the black spray paint. I'm going to grab some gray and yeah, lay some paint on this thing, clear coat it. And yeah, I can't wait to get the new headset on this thing, bro. It's going to change the whole look of this. Pretty much all I need cosmetically for this thing is a seat, and then paint the headset, put the headset on. That one I'm not too worried about right now, because this one is like the main priority right now. So I kind of threw those plastics together, paint them just to get the scooter prepped and ready for when I'm ready to build it, which will be coming shortly. But we need to get this one done first, boys. So I got the Elite plastics painted like a gray, silver, and clear coated. So gonna do the front piece now. Bro, I just noticed my motor mount's cracked. Quickly weld that real quick, but she's welded, she's back on there, so now it should be good to ride. I'm hoping, probably not, but it might hold up for a couple hours. You know how this thing goes. Yep. It feels good, because the second day I only rode the tandem, yeah, so I didn't get to ride this. It feels good again. We're just mobbing out right now. We decided to go on a little ride in the middle of working on things. We're mobbing out right now. We're going to get some pokey, so decided to hit a quick ride. I couldn't really work on anything else. I kind of ran out of parts to put on the Elite, so figured we'd just mob out, go for a little cruise. truck's getting close, boys. It's almost time. I'm assuming probably in the next 2 weeks I'm gonna be riding the Stroker. If everything comes in on time. Just waiting on parts really. So hopefully within the next 2 weeks we'll get that Stroker started and start messing with tuning on it, and then shortly after get the 89 going for a little stump bike fun. What'd he say? What'd he say?
Race.
Oh, dude. So bumpy right here. Oh my. How do I not lose that? My nose ring just fell out so crucially. Something weird. Every time I let off the gas, I hear it under the moped right now. Sounds like something's so loose. Dude, we just smashed down a Pokeball, but it just got like 20 degrees colder. We're about to have a little ride back. My dad stopped too. Chuck went into the Chuck past the turn. He's going on the sidewalk. Ah. Obviously, there's still a lot to be done with the Elite. I kind of just put it together right now just to mock everything up and get a look at it. And it looks pretty good. We had a good ride last night, messed around a little bit. And yeah, so I decided I'm going to end the video here until I get some more parts. And then next time we'll have pretty much putting the Stroker together and hopefully getting it started next time you see it. So this is the final look. This is with the new paint on the lower parts of the plastic. It looks pretty damn good. And I'm stoked on it. So if you want to support your boys, make sure you go to the description, grab yourself one of these fancy little MOPBOYZ stickers. Got a bunch of new colorways. And yeah, boys, that's going to do it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.